Hi, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to graph your muscle fatigue data. So I've gone ahead and I've plugged in the data table from the lab prompt, and I put it in basically the same format. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and drag and copy that block of information, and then I want to go and choose Insert Chart. And when I get to this part here, I've got to go ahead and make a couple of key changes. So this is set up correctly. I do want the trial on my x-axis, and I want the number of squeezes on the vertical axis here, and I've got the two lines that are color-coded. So I'm going to go ahead and just customize it by clicking the Customize tab here. And I want to change the titles. So I'll go into the chart title here, and the chart title, I'm going to label this muscle fatigue, and I'll get rid of that. And that should be my title there. I'm then going to go ahead and add in my axes labels. So I will change the vertical axis title there. And what I want that to say is number of squeezes. And I've got my trials listed on the bottom there. The only other thing that I want to go ahead and do is on the horizontal axis, I go to grid lines, horizontal. I think what I'd like to do, major step. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I'm able to see how that data falls off pretty rapidly from my muscle fatigue. So once I've got this all set up, then I can go ahead and just simply copy and paste it by clicking these three little dots here. So I'll go ahead and copy chart, and then I can make my way to the lab handout where I'm going to go ahead and insert my graph right here. And it will say paste, and I'm going to paste it as unlinked, so I don't need to make any changes. And that is how you're going to go ahead and set up your muscle fatigue graph. Hope that helps.